Welcome to aminacademy.com. In advanced quadratic equations, let us discuss about solving inequalities. Before that, we'll discuss about intervals. Consider the expression f of x equal x minus a into x minus b, x minus c into x minus d, which is greater than or equal to 0. It's an inequality expression. Here, in that, we'll discuss about intervals type. First one is closed interval, open closed interval, closed open interval. Here, if A is lesser or equal to X, lesser or equal to B, it is a description of closed interval. So, and symbolically, we can write. Now, we can write this one symbolically. A is so we can write this one is A comma B. We can write a square bracket like both sides. Here, for open interval, A is lesser x lesser b. Here, there is no equal sign. Here we can write x is an element of. Here we can write this symbolically. X is an element of open interval. You have to use this bracket a comma b. Means x can reach any value in between a and b, but not a and b, in between a and b. Here, x can reach any value in between a and b as well as including a and b. Here, open closed interval means a is lesser than x and lesser or equal to b. Symbolically, you can write this as x is an element of open interval a and closed interval b. One side is curve bracket, other is square bracket. Third one, closed open interval. That means a is lesser or equal to x and lesser b. Here, closed interval is a is lesser or equal to x lesser b. So we can write in symbolically this one as x is an element of a and b. Here, note this point. So if x is greater than or equal to a, which means here then it's included a to infinity. That means x can reach a and more than a up to infinity. The second one we can write x is greater than a, that it indicates a to infinity. And third one, x is lesser or equal to a, which can be expressed minus infinity to a. Here That means x can be reached minus negative to a. Means here to the infinity side it's only curved bracket, open bracket only I had to use. Then x is lesser a, which means minus infinity to a. So these are the conditions for describing intervals. Some properties we'll discuss. Properties of intervals. In an inequality, any number can be added or subtracted. Any number can be added or subtracted. Subtracted from both sides of the inequality. Next one, terms can be shifted from one side to another. Terms can be shifted from one side to other. Then third one, if you multiply both sides of an inequality by non-zero quadratic number, then the sign of inequality does not change. If you multiply non-zero positive number the sign of inequality will change. Inequality change. If the multiplication number is negative, if the number multiplied is negative, the sign of inequality changes. The sign of inequality changes. That means, suppose here x is greater than 3. If you multiply it with minus 2x, the sign will change. Is both sides you are multiplying. Then if you put that minus x, the sign will change like then further explanation will continue in next videos. We have done. Please subscribe our YouTube channel.